Good morning, ma'am. This is Akhila, pursuing second MScs. Today I am going to explaining about the SQL. SQL language. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It provides a short story, short history of the language. Objectives of the SQL language: creates a database and relation structures, provides perform basic management tasks such as insertion, modification, deletion of the data from the relations, performs both simple and complex queries of the data. A database language must perform these tasks with minimal user effects and its commands structure of and system. There are four major commands of the SQL language. They are DDLL, DCLL, DML and TCL. First of all, I am going to explaining about the DDL. DDL commands, it is mainly useful for defining the data structure and controlling the accessing of the data. DML commands, it explain about the retrieving and updating the data. DCL commands, it explain about the grant privilege of the table. TCL commands, it explain about the auto and some options on the options of the table of the SQL. History of the SQL. In 1974, Dr. Cambian from the IBM Sandstone laboratory defined a language called Structured English Query Language. In 1976, Boy Code from the IBM Sandstone laboratory defined a language called SQL. IBM produced a prototype DMS based on Sql. Importance of the SQL language. SQL is called in other standard and even influence and development user standards as defiance tool. The development of the language is supported by the academic interface, performing the both theoretical for the language and the techniques needed to implement it successfully. In various in many places we are using the DB. In system work we are using DBMS language. It is very easy to learn. This is easy and comfortable to do it. This is about the importance and history objectives of the SQL language. Thank you, ma'am.